have to let it in. It's clearly a stray. Or this Marine I met last week at a blood drive. Last week, there was a man outside our door screaming, "I've been stabbed," and all you did was yell, "Shut up!" Because he said, "I think I've been stabbed." You're either stabbed or you're not stabbed, my friend. Listen, it sounds like the cat saying hello. Hello, hello. Listen, it's talking. It's saying, "Help, can I come in?" Really? Because I think it's saying, "I'm fine, go back to sleep." Come on, it clearly just said, "Let me in, ignore the blonde, she's a bitch."